Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fab 42 page. I want to share a little project of my own. It's a 69 Firebird I bought out of Mississippi. The car was in really good shape. Someone had cut out the wheel well openings, I'm sure, back in the day to fit a wider tire on. I cut this out a little more and repaired the flange around the wheel well opening. I say repaired, I actually replaced it, but found during that process that the lower quarter panel behind the tire was also, it had a little bit of Bondo in it, replaced it as well. I just wanted to share this to show you kind of how I did it. I'm not saying that there's not more than one way of doing this, but it's how I did it. It all worked out pretty good. I'll share some pictures later of what the car looked like after I got it back in epoxy primer. Hadn't got around to that. My plan is to also later on, these videos will be more someone in front of the camera, and they'll be longer, and they'll also be more of what we're doing currently. This project, I actually bought this car about 5 years ago, so this project's went on quite some time. My stuff usually falls to the wayside because I'm usually working on everybody else's stuff. So I TIG welded all this stuff in. Everything fit really well, and so with everything fitting well and welding up real small, then where that really pays off is when it comes time to polish all that weld down and put your filler on and get it ready for paint. This car, I've got new bushings, I've got the front stub painted, I've got leaf springs, I've got a lot of parts to put it back together. And you can see in these pictures, took it down to the bare metal, just how straight this car was, other than somebody cutting those wheel well openings out. No rust in the floor pans, no rust in the filler panel below the back glass. The quarters just super straight. This car is going to make a really nice car. Hopefully at some point in time this year, I can get it put back together and at least get it where I can drive it. But thanks, and please subscribe and follow the YouTube channel.